How are you today? How are you today? Koi first.
Mm.
Are you good?
Uh, Not me today.
I see. What about Nyan? How are you today, Nyan?
I am sorry.
Hmm?
I am sorry today.
Oh, you're fine today. I see. What about Ngok? How are you today, Ngok?
I'm good today.
You're good today. Okay, what about Tam? How are you today, Tam?
I'm good today.
Okay, you're good today. Okay, thank you so much for sharing that. And what about, did you go to school today?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, that's good to hear. And Yan, did you go to school?
Yes.
Yes, and Koi, what about Koi?
Đi trải nghiệm mà.
Hmm? Yes, Koi, did
Ừ.
you go to school today?
Trải nghiệm. Yes.
Yes, okay, that's good to hear. And what about, did you already eat your dinner tonight? Hmm? Did you already eat your dinner, Yan?
Yes.
Okay, and
Yes,
what
I
did you eat,
have.
Yan, for your dinner tonight?
I eat rice, chicken, uh, soup, and vegetable.
I see. So, do you eat vegetable, Yan?
Yes, I have.
Oh, okay. Yes, you eat. Okay, what about Ngok? Did you already eat your dinner, Ngok?
Yes, I have.
Oh, one more time. Yes, I did.
Yes, I have.
Ah, one more
Yes,
time.
I
Okay. So, Ngok, what did you eat for your dinner tonight?
I ate rice, fish, uh, chicken, and soup.
Mm, rice, fish, chicken, and soup. Okay, I see. Thank you so much for that, Ngok. And Tam, did you already eat your dinner, Tam?
I ate vegetable soup, rice, and chicken.
I see. Thank you, Tam. What about Koi? Koi, did you already eat your dinner, Koi?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, Koi, what did you eat for your dinner, Koi?
Eat rice, soup, and meat.
Rice, soup, and meat. Okay, thank you for that, Koi. Okay, so thank you so much for sharing that, everyone. So, now, are you ready for our lesson? Okay,
Yes.
ready? Okay, that's good to hear. So, let me start sharing my screen. Okay, there you go. Okay, can you see my screen now? Okay, can you see my screen? Hello?
Hello.
Okay. Can you see my screen now? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good to hear that. Okay, so our lesson today we will have pre-sorters review 21.2. So let's have what's up, guys? And okay. Okay. So our lesson today, let's learn or let's start answering this exercise. Okay. So we have a question here. How many animals in the zoo? So look at the picture and please tell me how many animals can you see? Okay? Okay, then after that, oh yes. Okay, Nyan, please tell me how many animals can you see?
I see 10 animals are
Mm,
the picture.
are you sure? 10 animals? Can you tell me what are those animals, Nyan?
11. 11.
Hmm?
11.
11. Okay. What about Ngok? What is your how many animals? There
There
are
there are 11 animals in the zoo.
11. I see. What about Koi? Koi, how many animals can you see?
There are ele- elephant.
7.
Mm,
Okay. What about Tam? What is your answer, Tam?
Is 10, 11, is 10 animals in the zoo.
There are 10 animals. Okay. Now this time, let's count the animals. Okay. So let's have. Okay. Do you know what animal is this? Do you know this one?
One,
Hmm? Okay. Okay. What do you know what kind of animal is this?
one,
Okay. One? No, 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 no. Okay. Um, what about Nyan? Do you know what kind of animal is this? Do you have any idea? Okay, wait for a second. Do you have any idea? Okay, okay. So we have here. Okay, wait for a second. Okay, okay, okay. This kind of animal, it's amphitheater. You know that one? Wait a second. Let me type the answer first. Okay. So text. Okay, this one. Yeah, sure. Oh, okay. Anteater. Okay. Anteater. This one. Okay, one more time. Again, what animal is this again? It's
Eater.
anteater. Okay, very good. This kind of animals, they love or they eat ant. Do you know what ant is, right? It's a small insect. What
Very
about
small.
yes, okay. What about this one? Do you know what animal is this? It's a
Lion.
lion. Very good. What about this one? It's a
Lion.
again?
Lion.
Very good. It's a lion. What about everyone? Okay, what about the others? What animal is that? It's a
is a zebra.
huh? Okay, a zebra. We have anteater, lion, and zebra. Okay, what about Tab? What animal is this?
Is zebra.
Hmm?
Is an
This one.
is zebra.
Okay, it's a zebra. Okay. What about Koi? Do you know what animal is this?
This is
Okay, what about Ngok? Do you have any idea, Ngok?
is a Hippo.
Okay, that is correct. Hippo or hippopotamus. Okay, so that's how we call that one. Okay, what about this one? It's an okay.
Is an elephant.
Okay, very good. What about Nyan? What animal is this Nyan? It's an Nyan. Oh, hello Nyan. Can you hear me? Okay. What animal is this Nyan?
Is 11. 11.
Huh? What animal is this? It's
11.
an elephant. Okay. What about this one? Do you know what is this? It's a yes, Tam. Raccoon. Okay, that's a raccoon. We also have this one, monkey. And this one, do you know what is this?
I am monkey.
Huh? What is that?
Monkey.
Oh,
Cat.
yeah, yeah. It's a monkey. Oh, it looks like a cat, or I think it's.
Cat eating.
Yeah, yeah, it's a cat. What about this one, the bird here? Do you know what kind of bird is this? Okay, yes, Tam, what is that? It's a. You don't have any idea? It's okay. What about ngok? Do you have any idea, ngok? What kind of bird is this?
Mm,
Okay. So, okay. So it's a bird, but okay. So we have I think that kind of wait a second. Let me just check that one first. Okay, wait a moment. Okay. What bird is this? Okay. Oh, it looks like okay, Australian king parrot. I see. Okay, so it is like similar or it looks like a parrot. Okay, and also we have two animals here. What are these? It's a. Do you know that one? Koi, do you know that animal?
Is
Long neck. What is that? It's a
mm, it is
giraffe.
giraffe.
Okay, so that's a giraffe. Okay, we have two giraffe here. So again, how many animals can you see? There are 11 animals. But when we say how many species or how many kinds of animals can you see? There are only 10 animals. Okay. So now let's move on and let's go to the next slide. Okay. So now, let's have another exercise. So, you are going to answer this exercise. We have the question, how many? Okay, so please answer on your paper first. Okay, again, get your paper and pen. Okay, Ngok, please get your paper and pen. Koi and Tam. Okay, get your paper and pen. Do you
monkey.
have, okay, do you have your paper now? Ngok? Pen and paper? Hello, can you hear me? Okay. Tam, can you hear me, Tam? Koy? Okay. Please get your paper now and pen. Paper and pen. Also, Ngok. Hello.
No.
Can you get your paper and pen? Paper and pen. Okay. Okay, please don't write on the screen. Let's start answering now. Okay, Koi, do you have your paper and pen now? Paper and pen? Do you have? Okay, wait for a second. Okay, please don't write on the screen again. Okay, please let's. Oh my god.
Monkey,
Okay,
monkey.
okay, wait a second. Okay, here you go. Okay, please, okay, read on the screen.
Mm. Peter, what is it?
Okay,
Is it?
get
What? What is it?
get your paper. Ah, that one. It looks like a bear. Okay, so again,
Hmm?
please don't write on the screen and answer your exercise. Okay,
Is it?
it's a sea lion.
Peter, right. Right.
Hmm? Okay, wait a
It.
second. Okay, you can start answering now. People.
Nào có gì đây?
Teacher, yes,
Đi giải lao à?
Yes. Do you have a question? Finish? Okay, thank you for that. What about Ngok and Koi? Are you done? Mhm. Are you done, Koi? Okay, so I think Nyan, finish Nyan.
Chưa xong. No.
Not yet. Okay, okay. Take your time.
Đi. Teacher, finish.
Finish? Okay, thank you for that. What about Koi and Ngok? Finish?
Yes.
Okay, Koi, finish? Okay, so now this time let's start answering your exercise. Okay, so first one we have a bear. Okay, so what is your answer? How many bears can you see? There are
There are snake. Ano?
yes, Nyan. There are
There are
how
nine.
many?
No.
Oh, okay,
Nine
Nyan.
snake.
Okay, Nyan. A bear, Nyan first. This one,
There
how many
are
bear?
5
Mhm.
bears.
Okay, can you say it one more time again? There are.
There are 5 bears in the picture.
Okay, very good, Nyan. What about this time, Ngok? Please answer, Ngok. How many giraffe can you see?
There are 3 giraffes.
Okay, very good. There are three giraffe. Okay, what about koi? Koi, how many snakes can you see?
Mm, there are 10,
Hmm?
10 snake.
Are you sure? Is it 10 snakes? 7,
Nice
8?
snake.
Okay, very good. So there are only 9 snakes. Okay, now Tam, it's your turn. How many monkeys can you see?
there are 8 monkeys.
Very good. So there are 8 monkeys. Okay. So now, Nyan, it's your turn again. How many elephant can you see?
There is an elephant in the picture.
Very good. There is only one elephant. Okay. Now, yes, Ngok, it's your turn. How many crocodile can you see?
There are 6 crocodiles.
Very good. There are 6 crocodiles. Okay, Koi, it's your turn again, Koi. How many lions can you see?
There are 4 lions.
Okay, one more time. Lions.
Lion.
Okay, very good, Koi. Okay, now let's have Tam, please. Tell me how many lovebirds can you see?
Lion.
One more time.
There are there are 10 lovebirds.
Very good. So there are 10 lovebirds. Okay, now let's go back to Nyan again. Nyan, how many sea lions can you see?
There are 7 sea lions. Are there in the picture?
Very good. So there are 7 sea lions. Okay, what about Koi? How many hippopotamus can you see?
2 hippos. Times.
One more time. There are
There are 2 hippopotamus.
very good. So there are 2 hippopotamus. Okay. So now everyone, do you have any questions? Do you have a question or no questions? Okay, so I guess no question. Now let's go to the next page. Okay. Now this time, let's answer. Okay, another exercise. So we have here, okay, 5 different animals. And you are going to look at the picture and answer how many kind of these animals. Okay, first picture we have a bear. We also have, it looks like a kangaroo. Okay, yes, a kangaroo. We also have zebra, and we have what the okay, I'm not really sure. It looks like a second. Let me look. Let me check. Okay. So what animal is this? Okay. Just give me a second. Okay. But it looks like a kind of goat, right? Ah, okay, okay, okay. So, ah, okay. So we have this one. Ah, sheep. Okay. This picture number 3, it's a sheep. Okay. Number 2 is a kangaroo. And number 3, it looks like a fox. I'm not sure. Okay, wait a second. Mhm. Okay. Wait a moment. Ah, yes. Ah, okay, 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 okay. So this one here.
Phoenix.
Phoenix? Okay. Okay. Ah, okay. A baby fox. Okay. So picture 1, it's a bear. Picture 2, it's a kangaroo. Picture 3, it's a sheep. Picture 4 is baby fox. Picture number 5 is a zebra. Okay. Again, so you are going to look at the picture and count how many, okay, animals can you see. So I'll give you another 5 minutes to answer that. Okay. Your time starts now.
Rồi, mẹ.
Okay, are you done? Are you done? Finish? Okay, Koi,
Yes.
finish? Okay.
Yes.
Now let's check your answer. Okay, so first picture, we have a bear. So how many bears can you see? Koi, please answer, Koi. How many bears? There are
They are four bear,
one more time, bears.
bears.
Okay, very good, Koi. Okay, that is correct, Koi. So there are only four bears. Okay. Now, Nyan, please answer number two. How many kangaroos can you see?
Mm, There are four kangaroo in the picture.
Again, one more time. There are
There are four kangaroo in the picture.
Are you sure there are only four?
Five.
Five. Very good. Okay, let's count. One, two, three, four, and five kangaroos. Okay, now Ngok, it's your turn. How many sheep can you see?
Mm, There are three sheep.
Yeah, three. Okay, and that is correct. Very good, Ngok. Okay, now it's your turn. Okay, Tam, how many little fox can you see?
There are six fox.
6 little fox. Are you sure? Tam, are you sure? Okay.
Seven.
7. One more time. There are 7 little fox. Okay. Can you say it again, Tam? There are
There are 7 fox.
one more little fox. Okay. So what about let's go back to Koi. Koi, look at the picture. How many zebra can you see?
There are two yeah,
Okay. Zebra. Again, one more time.
zebras.
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 Okay, very good. Okay. So great job, everyone. You were able to answer our second exercise, which is okay, counting all the animals at the picture. Okay. So now this time, do you have any questions or no? No questions? Okay. So I guess no question. Now let's go to the next part. Okay. This time, let's learn. Okay. Oh. So can you tell me? Okay, Nyan, look at picture number 1. Can you tell me what kind of animal is this?
Is
It's a
lion.
yes, very good. A female lion. Okay. And what they are doing, Nyan? They are eating.
They
What
are
is
eating.
they are eating like it looks like a goat. Yes, okay. So we have a lion who are eating. Okay, I got it. What about picture number 2? Okay, Ngo, can you tell me what kind of animal is this? It's a okay. Do you have any idea? Nyan and Tam, do you know what kind of animal is this? Yes, Nyan.
Is drinking
Hmm?
water.
Huh?
Is drinking water.
Ah, he is drinking water. Okay, and but what animal is that, Nyan? Do you know?
Hmm?
Do you know what animal is that?
Is yep. No.
No? Okay. So, wait a second. Okay, so this animal is a cheetah. Okay, can you say that? Cheetah. Yan, please tell me. You say
Cheetah.
yes, cheetah. Okay. Do you know, Yan? Do you know, everyone? Cheetah is one of the animals who can run really, really fast. The fastest.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. Again, we have a lion and cheetah here. Okay, now let's go to the next picture. Oh, this is so cute. Do you know what animal is this? Hey, okay, yeah, they look like dancing. Okay, koi. Do you know what animal is this koi?
Is beer.
Hmm? Okay, very good. It's a
They
bear.
are bears.
Okay, bears. Okay, so these are little bears. Okay, what about picture number? Okay, 4. This one, it's a. Okay, what
It
about yes?
is crocodile.
Huh?
Hello.
Crocodilo? Huh? Crocodilo? Are you sure? It's a
Crocodile.
crocodile. Okay, not a crocodilo. Okay. What about Tam? Let me ask you, Tam, what kind of animal is this? It's a
Talking.
monkey. Okay. Do you like monkey, Tam?
Yes.
Oh, I see. Okay, now let's go to the next picture. Oh, so we have here a question. What is he or she wearing? What is he or she doing in the zoo? Okay, now let's answer first the first question. Okay, Tam, can you tell me what is he or she wearing? This girl first. What is she wearing, Tam? She's wearing a
Body.
hmm?
She's wearing
Is it a dress? Is it a
she's
t-shirt?
wear-
She's wearing a
she's wearing red.
yes, red dress. Okay, Nyan, what about you, Nyan? What is he wearing?
He wearing dress. Red
Huh?
dress.
This
And
one, the second picture.
he wearing white polo shirt.
Mm, very good. A white polo shirt. Okay, what about Ngok? Look at the third picture, the girl here. What is she wearing? Ngok.
She wearing a white dress.
Okay, very good. A white dress. And what about the last question is, what is he or she doing in the zoo? Okay, Koi, can you please answer what they are doing at the zoo, Koi? There are
They are mm,
looking
mm, mm,
or watching a what animal is this again? It's a
read
lion. Okay,
line.
so very good. So they are watching lion. Okay. So now let's go to the next picture. Do you have any questions? Nyan, Ngok, do you have a question or no? No questions? Okay. So since you don't have any questions, let's go to the next part. Okay. Ngok, can you tell me, Ngok, what is she wearing?
She wearing a blue dress.
Blue dress. Okay, very good. And what about Nyan? What they are doing in the zoo?
They are partying.
Hmm?
They are partying.
They are
Partying.
watching,
Partying.
partying. What is that, Nyan? Okay. So look at the picture, Nyan. What they are doing at the zoo?
They
They are watching. What
they
animal is this?
watching snake.
Yes, very good. So they're watching a snake. Do you like snake, Nyan? Do you like snake? Are you scared of snake? Oh, I see. Okay. What about, let me ask you, Nyan. Have you ever go or went to a zoo before? You went to zoo before? Yes or no? No?
No.
Oh, I see, I see. But have you ever see a snake?
Scared.
No or yes?
No.
Oh, okay, I see. So you're scared of snake. Okay. What about yes, Ngok? Have you ever saw a snake before, Ngok? A big snake or no?
No.
Oh, but are you scared of snake?
Yes.
Are you scared? Ah, okay, I see, I see. Now let's go to the next picture. Oh, okay, Tam, can you tell me, Tam, what is she wearing?
She wearing a blue t-shirt and blue shirt. Blue short.
Mm, okay, very good. She's wearing a blue t-shirt. Okay, and okay, Koi, what is she doing in the zoo? She's
Mm, she is doing
hmm?
elephant.
Okay, so an elephant. Okay, so she's like taking a picture with the elephant here. Okay, thank you so much, Koi. Now let's go to the next slide. Okay, so Nyan, what is he wearing? He is
May I go
wearing.
out?
Oh
May
yes,
I go
yes,
out?
Koi. Yes,
He
Koi.
wearing
Ah,
he wearing blue shirt, blue polo shirt,
is it blue polo shirt? Blue or black?
blue,
Okay, so
purple.
purple. But for teacher, it looks like a black. Okay, let's move on. Let's go to the next picture. Okay, so look at the girl here. What is she wearing? She's wearing
He
a
she wearing a what's it? A white sleeve shirt.
okay, very good. And Ngok, please tell me, Ngok, what they are doing in the zoo. They are taking pictures with what animal is this?
Bear.
One more time. They are taking
There are
pictures. Taking pictures
there are taking pictures.
with
Bear
the
with
bear.
the bear.
Okay, very good, Ngok. Okay, great job. Thank you so much. Now, okay, Koi, please answer Koi. Oh, okay. So, Koi, can you tell me what is she wearing, Koi? She's wearing a
Is wearing red and
hmm, a white
right.
t-shirt. Is that a t-shirt? Okay. What about Yan? Okay, please tell me Yan, what is he wearing?
He he wearing a white t-shirt.
Mhm. A white t-shirt. Okay, but it looks like a gray shirt. Oh, that's okay. Okay. Now, this time, please tell me what they are doing in the zoo. Do you know what animal is this? It's a hmm. It looks like a raccoon, but different color. I guess. Okay, Tam, can you please tell me, Tam, what they are doing at the zoo, Tam? They are. You don't have any idea. It's okay. What about Nyan? Do you know Nyan what they are doing at the zoo?
They are eating in the room.
Eating? Feeding the raccoons. Again, one more time yan. They are
They are
feeding,
eating
feed,
in the room.
feeding
They are
the
feeding
raccoon
the raccoon
at the zoo.
at the zoo.
Okay, very good yan. Okay, now let's look at this next picture. Okay, now, okay. Oh, we have an activity here, but we only have 7 minutes left. Okay, so let me try to open this one. Okay, wait for a second. Okay, so let me start sharing the screen again. Oh no. Okay, so let's have team 1 and team 2 again. Okay, team 1 are the boys, team 2 the girls. Okay? Okay, Yan and Boy, team 1, Ngok and
Wait,
Tam, team 2. Okay, Yan, please choose a number first.
Number 11.
11. 11? Okay, let's check. Oh, Nyan and Koi. For 15 points, what animal is it?
Duck.
Hmm? Are you
It-
sure? It's a
No.
duck? Okay. Huh? It's a duck? Let's check.
You? Yummy.
Koi? Do you know what animal is this, Koi?
Duck.
Okay, let's check. It's a swan. Okay. So it's okay, boys. So it's a swan. Okay. Now, girls, Ngok and Tam, please. Okay, Tam first. Tam, choose a number. Tam, I cannot hear you.
Number 9.
9. 9? Okay. What animal is it?
Không chưa dùng điện thoại đâu.
Ngok, you can also help Tam to answer. What animal is
À,
this?
không nhìn đâu.
It's
Không
a
nhìn vào máy tính đâu. Không nhìn. Đoán nhanh. Này.
no answer. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's check. It's a rhino. Again, Ngok, please read rhino. Ngok, hello, Ngok. Can you hear me? Please read. It's a rhino.
Is a rhino.
Oh, no points for that. Okay, so now Nyan, please. Okay, choose a
Bird.
number again. 1. Why? What animal is this? It's a yes, koi. Do you have an answer?
Inch. Mm.
It's a.
Inch.
I'll give you an idea. Starts with letter C. Starts with letter C. You didn't. Oh yes, Nyan.
Cow.
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 Okay, let's check.
Cow.
Very good, team 1. Great job, boys. Now, team 2, girls, please choose a number. Ngok. Choose a
Number
number, Ngok.
8.
8. What animal is it?
Không chơi dịch đâu. Ngọc là không chơi dịch kiểu gì đâu.
You can also
Này,
help.
Tâm chơi dịch, Tâm chơi dịch. Tâm chơi dịch, bẩn thỉu. Đấy, chơi dịch, bẩn thỉu. Tâm chơi dịch.
No idea.
Sao nó có ra con đấy đâu, nó có ra người mà hoạt động người mà.
Hmm? Okay, let's check the answer. Okay, it's a sloth. Okay, so, okay, no points for. Okay, now Koi, please choose a number, Koi.
This number um,
Number
7.
5.
5. Okay. What animal is it? Oh, no! Wait a second. 5. Okay.
Hippo.
Oh no!
Hippo.
Okay, it's a hippo. That's the easiest one. Okay, I
Easy.
know you can answer that. Okay, team girls, please choose a number again. Tam,
Number 14.
14. Oh, what animal is it?
Go.
Rồi em ơi.
It's a. Okay, let's check that one. Okay, peacock. Okay. So now, girls, boys, so it's already time. And team one, you've got 30 points, and team two, it's supposed to be no points. So I'll stop sharing my
Gấp đôi,
screen,
gấp
and
đôi.
okay, let's continue the game next time. Okay, again, thank you so much for your active participation, everyone. You did great. So keep up the good work, and please don't forget to study the things that we learned today. And have a great night. See you again next time, everyone. Bye bye.
Goodbye, teacher. See you later.
My teacher.
Bye các bạn nha. Thank you teacher. Chris.
Okay,
Bye.
awesome.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye, teacher.